guys, Poontz Bros, back in a new video, and this is a very special video. You know why? Because we have a 9th birthday, upcoming birthday, Among Us in the house. Whoop whoop! And this guy next to me is very, very sus. So let's get started, shall we?
Yes. So our mom was kind enough to help us cut out this 3D Among Us character. So this is gonna be the piñata. As you can see, there's a little
with the candy hole to put the candy.
So basically, you'll need Elmer's school glue. Elmer's. You'll need
specifically
this duct tape and this
masking tape, white masking tape.
Yes. And you will also need scissors
and cardboard and yeah.
And paper towel to clean up your messes.
To make paper mache. So yeah, folks.
Yes.
Let's get cracking with the project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to make our paper mache, now we have to get the scissors and cut this into squares or rectangles.
Something like that's close to that. Yeah.
You have to cut in the middle to make it like.
No, it has to be this size. No, this. What? No, it has to be like this size. What? Yeah, that size. Yeah. So now, while Poontz is gonna be doing that, I'll be spreading glue over this mummified, halfly, whatever you want to call it, like Among Us piñata. And oh my god, this is so sweet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Help!
No, I don't need help.
Well, if you don't need help,
man.
Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, so we finally got our first layer done, which took at least maybe 5 minutes. So, so now while this thing dries
up,
you might be wondering, what's gonna dry it? Well, this blow dryer that our mom uses for her hair, blow dryer out.
Okay, let's do this. Yay!
Maximum speed.
Full power.
Whoa! Whoa! Splat! That's the win! Oh god, no.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
No.
Win it all!
Now that we got our paper machete.
Paper mache.
Machete, not machete. Not the knife. Anyways, not machete. Okay. So we're gonna finish the second side. Let's put some more paper here. Some little bit of paper here.
We have to glue it there. Well, on the glue.
Well, there's already glue, so just take advantage of that. Just pour.
And then one more. Oh, never mind. It's okay.
Yeah.
So that's complete now. Now let's get to the drying, ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa. Stick there.
It's okay, you need to put extra glue. Okay, so I think that's enough drying for now. So we can let the rest of the drying process overnight, and we'll be back with part 2 of the video. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
For now.
For now. Only for now.
Alright, so
we're back in day 2.
Welcome back to day 2.
We got our
this
Among
paper
Us
mache
Among Us
character. Now all we have to do is take this blue stuff, delicate stuff, and glue it on the character.
It looks so nice because even again our mom helped us like cut it out. It looks so. It looks nice. So let's get started on this.
No, we have to glue it first.
Yeah, I know.
Alright guys, so we're making good progress so far so good. And yeah, we're like halfway through and Poontz gonna do the next bit. Alright guys, so this is a pretty elaborate job, so why don't we go ahead and take a little break, shall we? Or should I say, sus we? So yeah, let's stick it in. Almost done. Oh, there you go. There you go, it's done. Oh yeah,
now this is what it
and now
looks
this
like.
is what it looks like, fully. Ta-da!
Day 1, only paper and glue. Day 2, glue and what?
Put this fabric.
Tissue paper, and then also this.
The eye.
This
eye.
Tin foil, yes.
Tin foil.
While we stuff this up with candy, you guys have a great week, and Poontz Bros are out of here. But before we go out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Wait, before you say bye, let's sing a happy birthday to Poontz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Chocolate. Happy birthday, dear Poontz. Happy birthday to you. Chocolate. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Poontz.